Alright, welcome to the last video, probably the last video, unless I want to, comment on something extra. And after that arpeggio, sorry, we have this Pinky Lick of Doom again. So you have this 11. So we're moving back to F sharp minor. See, so 11, 12, 14. And then starting on the 12, 14, 16, 13. And then moving up, same pattern. So 14, 16, 18, 14. And then moving up, 16, 18, 19. And then finally, 18, 19, 20. So the whole thing. Slower. Sorry. One more time. If you combine that with the arpeggio, so the last arpeggio, alright, it will become something like that. And that's how he ended the song, at least in the studio version, and in most of his clinics, that's how he did it. Alright, thank you. That's the end of the Scarified tutorial. Thanks for watching.